Hi there, my name is Jamal Khan. I'm a senior tax partner at Churchill Tax. Today we're talking about tax investigations and prosecutions by HMRC. There are some recent ones that have been announced. Very serious, and it just hopefully puts into perspective how people should not take any investigations lightly. The first case that we have on the website of HMRC is Peter Moss, who was a barrister, but he did not pay his VAT and came up with excuses, but he was not deliberately avoiding his VAT. We were collecting from the clients and customers, but when it came to paying to HMRC, he did not bother. He's been jailed for 18 months. He appealed, he tried everything, but he tried to make good the money that was taken, but because he was seen as involved in deliberate fraud, and being a barrister, he's in for 18 months. Arkani Muradi, this guy is a shopkeeper who was importing cigarettes and did not pay the custom duty, so he was involved in custom duty fraud. This person has been jailed for 2 years. The tax involved was significant, and he thought he could get away with it because he had been doing it for so many years. He didn't get caught. He thought he would just continue. And when they investigated him, he didn't even cooperate because he started producing fake documents, fake receipts. So he's in this case was a COP 9 case, Code of Practice 9, where he made the mistake of producing fake evidence in a Code of Practice 9. So he's now in for 2 years. Roderick Bond, now this is an interesting one. He was a police officer, a former police officer, and he left the police force. He got into bad company, and he found some really bad friends. They went for a big, massive scale of tax fraud involving about 20 or 80 million pounds, and they all got arrested. It was a big gang of 8 or 10 people, and he's in prison for 8 years now. And there are quite a few other cases that are announced. HMRC announced them and make them public. Their pictures are there, their photos are on the website, their full address, their full name, because HMRC do name and shame people once they take prosecutions to the next level. So for us, it's very, very important to be careful. If you think you've made a mistake, something went wrong, that you regret, speak to an advisor, speak to a specialist, make a voluntary disclosure. Make a disclosure and correct yourself so that it doesn't come back and haunt you or you end up in prison. Thank you very much.